In this quick video, I will show you how to open a Chevy Camaro key fob so that you can replace its internal battery at home. Now, some of you out there might have a device that looks like this, but with 4 buttons. There's a version that has a red button here, and then some of them, instead of having this picture of a car for with the trunk open, it'll say rear 2X. Don't worry, there are a couple layouts of this device. As long as it looks kind of similar to this, or it looks like what was pictured in the thumbnail, you can just follow along with me here, and I promise we'll get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. Now, the only thing you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries and a regular coin. So you can get these batteries online, and if you would like to, you can check out the link in the description here on YouTube. That'll take you over to Amazon, where you can get this particular battery for just a couple of bucks. Now let's just get right into this. Down on the bottom of the device here, there is a little indentation right along the seam of the plastic. You can see it's right there. I'm going to take my coin, insert it in that area, and just twist. And it will open up the device very easily. It doesn't take much force to get this open. And now we have access to the battery. Some of you can probably just pull that out with your fingernail. I can't, so I'm going to grab a flathead screwdriver. You could also use a pen or pencil, or a bobby pin, something you have lying around. And what you want to do is look for this little dark area right there. That little indentation helps us to get under the battery. So just slide in with your tool and lift the battery up, and it will come right out like you saw. Now you dispose of your old battery. Make sure you are using a new 2032 battery, and when you put it in there, make sure this positive side that has the plus and the text is going face down. So you will just click that into place, face down, and now we can put the two halves of the device back together. Just squeeze them together, super simple, and you are all set. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. Both of those things help us out a ton, and it's good to know, get your feedback. So we always check that info out. And always remember that you can come back to this channel for any of your key fob needs, because we have videos for pretty much every device from every maker model out there. And you can also get that information directly over at our website, which is called fobbattery.com.